Hey there, Robert Moody with MarineMax, the Dallas Yacht Center. I'm on Lake Louisville, Pier 121 Marina. This is a new listing. It's a 2020 Cruisers Yachts 50 Cantius. Always freshwater boat, low hours, all the big upgrades. Big IPS 700s on it, Seakeeper 6 on it, great stereo upgrade on it, lights upgrade. Let's do a walkthrough and show you some cool features. I love the platform back here. One, it's hydraulic. You can put a cradle on here, lift a dinghy, jet ski. It's got built-in stairs so you can get in and out of the water on it. I love the Kenya grill being on the back. Great storage, but you can tell he's added some stereo speakers on here. So if you like a little bit of music on the water, you're going to love hanging out on the back of this boat. Up here on the bow, Cruisers Yachts is really known for this on the Cantius series, which is really great. Two bow pads. It's elevated off the floor, so you can really sit, put your feet down. You do have a backrests that go up and down. I really love this table when you want to eat, have some drinks, you got it. When you're done for the day, you want to put the table away, it's gone, let's go. If you are lounging on the bow of the boat all day and you're tired of getting baked by the sun, this one does have the optional bow shade system. You notice there's 4 of these points right here. The poles are stored underneath there. You put up 4 poles, put a screen across the top. Now everybody can hang out in the bow of the boat and not get baked in this Texas sun. I want to show you some upgrades options from Cruisers Yachts I got on this boat. One, this is a power table. You got a switch, hit it down, a filler cushion. You have a sun lounge back here if you want sun. If you don't want sun, you got a power shade. You can deploy that out, get shade back here. We also got the 2 bar stools, which is really nice. When it comes time to docking, I got a aft docking station, Volvo Penta joystick right here. I can drive the boat, steer the boat, dock the boat, look any way I need to. If it's a better visibility being on the cockpit docking. Power window goes up and down. So how quick and easy is that to close the doors, lift up the glass, keep the cold air in there. But when you want to entertain, drop this down, open the bifold doors, sitting right here, everybody's together. I like that the galley is aft. You're entertaining, everybody wants food and drinks. They're going to be right here, outside, inside. Great spot for it. 2 refrigerators here. Got another refrigerator outside. I got a freezer on this side and a microwave and dual burner on the stove. But a lot of great storage, a lot of great counter space. Spread out your food and your drinks for everybody right here. So when everybody is inside the salon area, great elevated seating. You're going to get a lot of people up here. You got plenty of glass all the way around. There's another little seat over here on this side. So you can really get a whole family, 2 families upstairs in the comfort here in the salon. Here at the helm, I really like it. It's all one level. There's no steps to get to the helm. You got a double wide seat, flip up bolster. So on this boat, we do have a Seakeeper 6. My controls are there. Right now, I'm using DPS for Volvo Penta to hold me in one spot, kind of like a skyhook feature. It does have advanced steer-by-wire controls on it. It's got cameras on it. So a lot of options and upgrades they already have on this boat. It's ready to go. So like coming down the stairs, you're not walking into a cave. They got natural light coming from the windshield above. They do have upgraded canvas to put on the windscreens. It's using magnets to hold it, so you're not having to put all the snaps on it. Getting a little more money. The upgrade's already been done on this boat. Let's look at the Ford VIP. So the VIP is Ford. The amount of volume in the Cantius line of boats is incredible. The ceiling never drops down. You've got a centerline bed, easy to get on and off or make the bed from either side. Feels like a VIP room or a owner suite stateroom more than VIP. Each room has its own digital AC thermostat. You got your own TV, your own stereo system up here. Great storage, very roomy spot for your favorite guest. Good access to the dayhead from the Ford VIP stateroom, so you can go directly in there in the evening. It's got a separate shower with a little seat in there. A lot of storage behind the mirror and cabinets. Beautiful. Here's a third stateroom. It's bunk beds on it. A lot of great storage in here. So now we're back in the owner's suite. Massive windows. Of course, we got blinds for it, but what a great view. Centerline bed, tons of storage. Cruisers Yachts does a great job in laying out building their boats for owners. Been building boats for 70 years. They know what people want in a boat this size. Storage is crucial. Easy access to components to service a boat if you do it yourself. Cruisers Yachts keeps all that in mind. At the same time, a great looking boat. This does have a combo washer dryer already built in. I don't think they've ever used it. Again, your own thermostat in here. Lots of great lighting at night. So right now I got all the lights on, but maybe you just want some accent night lights so you can move around at night, not trip on anything. A lot of great options. So you can just flip a switch and dial it exactly how you want it. Big roomy stateroom. There's a closet for the owner's suite. So it's a double door, really deep storage, a hanging locker on there. They got the bow filler cushion that's in there right now. You can lower that table electronically, put that cushion on there. Great storage. But again, there's more access panels for the mechanics or your service guys to get in there and service the washer, dryer, refrigerator, AC, not refrigerator, AC. And then you got your own private ensuite head with separate shower. If you got questions about this 2020 Cruisers Yachts 50 Cantius, please give me a call. There's so many nice upgrade options on here. A few I didn't show on the video, but happy to show you the boat, answer any questions. Again, Robert Moody with MarineMax. You can reach me at 214-244-5535. Thank you.